What's going on, guys? It's Bye Jamal with another video. So today we'll be looking at the spark plugs and some other issues with the car because we did have a misfire yesterday while driving. I will throw a picture of the code here somewhere. So yeah, the engine light was flashing. It did happen before. It was probably in November. It was really cold outside and I was going just home late at night, and it was probably like it was freezing temperatures, to be honest. I don't even know why the car was outside, and the engine light started flashing, so it was a misfire. It felt kind of weird too. I was thinking it's because the car is tuned and stuff, as you guys know. So I was thinking it's maybe because the air to fuel ratio wasn't proper, because you know the density of the air when it's cold is richer. So I was just thinking, oh, maybe it's that because it was really cold. Then I drove it when it was kind of like nicer outside. No misfire, was doing good. Yesterday it was cold, but it wasn't super cold. It's what is it, like March right now? Yeah, so it's not super cold. It's kind of cold, and it misfired again when I was accelerating. So I don't know what's wrong with the car. Then after that it was driving smooth, so I just drove it home, scanned the car. It had a code. So my friend Fatty's coming over today. We were gonna check the spark plugs and the coils. I'm thinking it might be. I'm just hoping it was because it was cold outside. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab some food, and I'll be back when Fatty's here. Okay, guys. So I'm in my other car right now. We're gonna go pick up Fatty from subway station or subway stop or whatever you call it. Then go to parts store and some hardware store to get some things we need to take out the spark plugs and block off the coolant lines, because if you have a ZL1 or a Camaro, you know, like the whole tank is in your way, so you can't take the right hand side spark plugs out. So yeah, we will just go buy that. I'll be right back when I'm with Fatty, and he will give you the breakdown. What are the steps to find out what's wrong with the car, or what was the cause of the misfire. So yeah. Okay, chat. So we got the parts and we got a Fatty. So Fatty's here, and we did get the clamps. We are just gonna drive back to the garage, and yeah, hopefully we will find the issue. If it's the spark plug, we don't have the spark plugs. We can't find the correct spark plug, so we'll order them probably today. Yeah, so hopefully we can get them back on Monday if it's the spark plug, and then get it fixed and get it on the road and beat some Hellcats. So yeah, beat that pussy up. Okay, I'll be back when we get to my house. So yeah, later. Okay, guys, so I just pulled the first one. It does look good, so I don't know if it can focus. It does look good. I don't see nothing wrong with it. So yeah, I mean, the spark plug only has like 5,000 kilometers on it, or like 2,000 miles. So it does look good. We'll put this one back in and pull the other ones. Okay, guys, so we are actually back. It's another day. We checked all the spark plugs and they were all good. And I was thinking, you know, it could have been the spark plug wire that had a heat shield on it, as you guys can see. Let me pick it up. This one had a heat shield on it, and I'm like, you know what? I seen a few things on the internet, and it might be this. And guess what, guys? It actually was, because the spark plug wire, I'll get you better shots, but it's actually like cut a little, and then the heat shield is burned from inside. So thanks to the tuning shop that did this for me, because they put it on and it didn't even last 5,000 kilometers. So thank you, you're really smart. I'm gonna replace this on my own, and we will hope for the best. So we'll be back with the replacement, but I'm gonna show you what's wrong with this. Okay, so if you have the same issue, check your wires. Yeah. Yeah, as I said, we had the misfire in cylinder 5. It was just really random, to be honest. The car was running really good, and there was no issues with the car running wise, or even at lower speeds it was totally fine. It was just like at the higher speeds I had the issue. So I guess the spark wasn't, or the wire wasn't producing enough electricity or transferring enough electricity to the spark plug, and yeah, that's what happened. So we will get some new spark plug wires. I'm thinking about maybe getting some different ones than the OEM ones, and see if it won't happen in the future, because I know the boot will always touch anyway, so maybe something at the angle. But yeah, guys, we'll be back with the spark plug wire install when I get them. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's, I would say, 4 days later since we found the issue with the car. The spark plug wires finally came in. I got this Granatelli spark plug wire. I would say, based just looking on them, it's way better quality already. I like the boot, it's pretty solid, and it's like stuck into the spark plug wire. You can take it off. Maybe that's the only thing I don't kind of like, that you can take it off, because I know on some of them I don't really need them. So, but yeah, to be honest, I got it from Summit Racing. Shipping was perfect, and they came in like 2 business days. So yeah, but yeah, let me know guys in the comments if anybody of you like uses this spark plug wire on their Corvette or Camaro or CTSV. So yeah, just let me know. We'll be right back when I put them on. Okay guys, so this is the old spark plug wires. They're the OEM ones. As you can see, this one's burnt, like fully burnt here. That was the issue that we had. And this is the new one. So comparisons, you can see how thick it is compared to the OEM ones. So yeah, we'll just put them on. We have the grease right here. We'll put the grease on, and then I'll show you when I'm done with everything, because it's kind of hard to do everything with one hand, put them on and you know, fucking record at the same time. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm doing the last one. As you can see, I had to remove one hose from the coolant reservoir to get to the first spark plug on the passenger side. I don't know if you can see the spark plug, it's down there. We had to disconnect it's the oil dipstick holder or whatever you call it. But yeah, last one. Oh my god, and that piece of shit was so hard to get out. It took me probably 20 to 30 minutes to just take this off. So yeah, let me just show you. So this side is already done. It looks good, to be honest, in the engine bay. It has no click though. I don't know, the boot doesn't click in. I pushed it as far as I could, but it did not click in. Only the bottom one clicks in, so I don't know what's up with that. But yeah, I just wanted to give you the update. I'm gonna put the last one in, put everything back together, and start up the car and see if we have a misfire or not. So yeah, hopefully there's no misfire after all this work. But yeah, thank you guys for watching so far. Okay guys, so I just finished with everything. I put everything back together. I just didn't put the plastic like cover for the valve cover on. It's just too much work, and I think it's pointless. I don't really drive this car daily, so it's mostly just tracking or like a car meet. So yeah, I'm gonna start the car on. I triple checked everything, so if I get a check engine light, that's why. I might be a little out of breath. Bro, it was a lot of work. Holy smoke, I'm looking tired. But yeah, let's start the car. Hopefully no check engine light. Started with no issues. No check engine light or anything. So I guess the connection with the spark plug wire is good, even if it didn't click at the top. But let me close the door because you might not hear me because of the cam and stuff. So I think it doesn't have to click on, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure. If you know and it's supposed to click on, just let me know in the comments. I will go test drive the car now. Hopefully it's not wet outside because it was raining the whole night. The car is running pretty good, I would say. Nothing different than I'm not noticing anything different right now. Let's just check what the spark plug wires look like and if there's something. But they just didn't click on. Like the top part, when you connect it to the coil, it did not click on. I just pushed it as much as I could and nothing. So hopefully it's good. I'm not sure, guys. So yeah, we'll find out. Okay, let me just step out from the car and show you outside. Okay, this is what they look like. And the other side, pretty nice look. So yeah, I would say the car even looks better without the valve cover, like the plastic cover there. yeah, I don't see no issues, no sparks or anything. And as you can see, yeah, all good. Nothing, no sparks at the top. I'm not worried about the bottom part because the bottom part clicked on. So yeah, this is the spark plug wire. This one right here that burned because it is touching the header. Hopefully the boot will help. Hopefully this audio is not bad because I know the car is loud. So yeah, let's take it for a spin. I'm still in the car. We are driving and I'm like, my hands hurt so much. Like, what's going on, right? And I looked at my hands, and as you can see, it's like, you know, if you never worked on your car, you don't know the feeling. It actually feels good. It doesn't even feel bad. I'm just like super satisfied that I did it myself, and that, you know, I could have go and pay somebody to do it, but I tried to do it myself and I accomplished what I tried to do. So it feels so good. And yeah, like, I understand when people don't want to, you know, do it themselves because they're scared. I mean, I feel the same way. That's why I'm driving the car right now and I'm like, hopefully nothing explodes, you know. So yeah, we are about to go on the highway, as you can see, and you know, the car is driving good, no issues. It's super nice outside today. So yeah, guys, we are on the highway now. We had little scent. We hit like few miles per hour, you know. No issues. It's running smooth. Before, when I was accelerating, like let's say right now I'm gonna accelerate, but smoothly, like just slowly, the car would be vibrating. Like it would be super shaky, like shuddering in a way. Now it's really smooth, has no shudder at all. The tires are still cold, but yeah, I mean, I'm just scared there will be cops around me because it's so nice outside, and I already passed like a few cops, so I'm not trying to do anything stupid. I'm just trying to test the car. But yeah, the car feels really good so far. As I said, no shuddering even now. Like I accelerate, nothing. It was always around 2000 RPM, the shudder, but no check engine light when that was happening. Now it doesn't shudder. I did send it once and there was no check engine light or no vibrations, nothing. So I think we are good, guys. May 3rd, we are gonna go drag racing with a car. So we have a month to get it sorted out. But I think we are good. I'm gonna just get a set of tires, hopefully run like low 10s. I'm gonna take you guys with me that day, and yeah, I'm gonna just check out. I'll check with you guys when I get back home, park the car, and if there's any issues, I'm gonna let you guys know. It's just so much traffic right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the burn wire again. So yeah, guys, take care for now.